Good day, my friends. I'm Mama V. I'm super excited to share with you that I get to cook up a storm in not one but two amazing kitchens, one in Ottawa, Canada, and the other in Reggio Calabria, Italy. So come join me in one of my kitchens and see what delicious dishes I'll be whipping up for you to try. Good day, my friends. Today I'm going to show you how to make a classic Italian meat sauce. It is rich, hearty, and perfect for pasta night. And today I'm actually getting my daughter, Giulia, to cook the recipe. I'll be joining my daughter Giulia in her kitchen. These are the ingredients we will be needing: garlic, onion, carrots, and celery to do the soffritto. You'll also be needing ground beef. You will also need plum tomatoes that you will be mashing with your hands. Don't forget to clean that can with a bit of water. You will also need tomato passata. My daughter Giulia will show you step by step how to make this classic Italian meat sauce. First, heat a good splash of Italian olive oil in a large pan, and then add the onions, the carrot, the celery, and the garlic in a pan. This is called soffritto. It's a flavor foundation for Italian sauces, so you have to cook it gently for about 5 minutes until softened. The next step is to make sure that the soffritto is tender. At that point, you will add your ground beef. You will break it up with your hands or with a spoon and cook until it is brown. So you have to season with salt and pepper to taste and stir everything together. After good 10 minutes of cooking, you can actually see the beef is well done. You will add your passata that you previously crushed with your hands or with a spoon. And then you add your water to clean your bowl. And then you will be adding a full jar of passata, which is a thicker type of tomato, which is will enhance your sauce. And then again, you will rinse out that jar because we want every drop of it, and we don't leave anything behind. At this point, you mix well the passata in your sauce, and we will definitely lower the heat and let it simmer gently for at least 45 minutes. Now, an advice, the longer it cooks, the richer the flavors are. Now, it's up to you guys how deep you want your flavors. And you can actually see right now our meat sauce is ready, and it's going to be ready to serve. One thing I do when the sauce is nice and thick, I add some to my serving bowl because I do not want my pasta to be just pasta plain with a bit of sauce on top of it. I like to mix it well because I want every time I have a bite, there's meat and pasta together. So there's my daughter. She's serving us, and I'm telling you, the aroma is perfect. This classic Italian meat sauce is simple, authentic, and absolutely delicious. We served it with rigatoni, but you can serve it with spaghetti, tagliatelle, And we finished it off with parmigiano, and if you like, maybe fresh basil. That would be a final touch. Thank you for cooking with Mama V and her daughter Giulia. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for authentic Italian recipes.